Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Inshot and creating a new project. Import the clip you want to zoom. Once imported, tap the clip on the timeline so editing controls appear. Make sure the project ratio matches your output. This changes framing. Next, scrub to the exact frame where the zoom should begin and set the playhead there. Now tap the split tool and cut the clip at that frame so you have a dedicated segment to modify. This prevents unwanted motion in surrounding footage. You continue by selecting the split segment and choosing the keyframe or crop tool. Inshot hides keyframes under Edit for some versions, so look for the diamond icon. Place the first keyframe at the segment, start with scale at 100% and center the subject. Then move the playhead to where the zoom should end and add a second keyframe, increasing scale and nudging position to focus on the subject. This creates a smooth, animated zoom, and you can add intermediate keyframes for easing. Finish by previewing the zoom and making timing tweaks. Move keyframes closer for fast zooms, farther for slow moves. Adjust scale for crop quality. Once satisfied, trim edges, add transitions or speed changes, then export at 30 or 60 FPS to keep motion smooth. If the subject jitters or looks pixelated, reduce zoom amount or add one extra intermediate keyframe to stabilize movement. Alternatively, enable stabilization or re-import a higher resolution source.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.